Welcome everyone, today we're talking lightsabers and in fact one company in particular, SabNeo. Now I've worked with them in the past a couple of years back, but back then they only had their own version. There was no other replicas, there was nothing else, it was just their own version, which to be fair, the quality was fantastic. We had the V7 and V8 Warrior and they were amazing. The build quality, the pixel sabers, all the different voice notes and different styles of ignition, everything on there that you wanted. But the only downside of that is they weren't replicas of any of the movies, so when you came to actually cosplay in these things, they didn't really fit within the character design until today. So SabNeo actually reached out to me again and said, hey, we'd love to collaborate. And I looked at the website and I was flabbergasted. There was so much more on there than what there was a couple of years back. They've got replicas, they've got their originals, they've got all that you want and more. So today I'm excited to jump back into SabNeo and their lightsabers because the quality is unmatched. And funny enough, one of my friends has been trying his hardest to actually get this saber, so I done in a solid. I've asked for this saber to be sent out to me so I can review it, and then once the review and all the content's made, I'm going to give it to him for free. Because at the end of the day, I'm going to use the superpower that I have of being blessed to get free products from companies to then obviously bless other people in my life and give them that advantage too, because it's always nice to pass it on. But without further ado, let's jump into today's video and check out the one and only episode 3 Star Wars legend Anakin Skywalker. Starting off with the packaging here, as you can see it's the normal standard box that SabNeo normally send out. Now I have already opened this to check obviously the quality of the product before obviously getting into the content, just in case anything was broken or so on. But I've noticed in this box I haven't got half of the stuff of what I had in previous ones, like stands and so forth. But either way, the packaging is as always fantastic in this nice thick foam here. You do get a little guide sheet telling you how to power it on and sort of just the miscellaneous things that you can do with it. One side of the box you do get your saber itself, which again is that high durable tube that is ready for dueling, so you can smash this off of other people and it will not break. Further down you then get your charging cable, which is USB-C, and then all of the Allen keys and little bits inside there to put it all together. Now I have already taken this out of the package, like I said, to check it over, but that is the saber itself in all of its glory and it just looks fantastic. Now these little bits are made of rubber, so they're not metal, so they're nice to grip, they don't feel too sharp, but you can obviously grip it on the handle. This is all aluminium and very well made. I believe it is all machine cut, so it's all at perfect precision. You can undo it again and get to the battery to charge, which is that little USB-C port at the bottom there, and then you have the brain of this little thing. I have noticed this one doesn't allow an SD card, so you cannot put in your own voices or commands or whatever they call it, profiles, so you are stuck with what they have on here. But this one has again all of the different profiles, the different saber ignitions and so on, which we'll get into. The bottom also unscrews off here. Now I'm not sure if that's to add another saber into it, so it's like a dual saber, or if that's just to get to the speaker. I have no idea. Either way, it's just a nice little touch to add there. Now all of these are Allen screwed in, so you can take them off if you wish, but a few of the ends might need pushing down because they are stuck on with a adhesive pad, but they are very well made. You can definitely tell they're made to last and that they're very durable. But without further ado, let's get it set up and go through some of the sounds. Okay, so looking on the website, this is everything that comes in the box. This is the V8 Pixel 2.0, so it has all of the new features like the hand gesture movements and things like that. So you've got 18 sets of sound effects, infinity blade colors, 12 regular light effects, 12 kinds of startups and special effects, smooth swing 2.0 and gesture control and more. That's pretty much what the V8 gives you instead of the V7. Now I will mention on the photo on the actual website, it makes the button look orange. It's not, it's more of that red that you would see on his lightsaber, so that's nice. But I will also mention that the price is ridiculously cheap compared to others that I've seen on the market at the same caliber of build quality, you know, effects and all of that. This is only coming in at £120, currently on sale, which you can save £177. Insane. So putting the saber in, slide it in there. You've got two little Allen keys here to just hold that blade in place, and that is in solid. You're not getting that out no matter no matter how much you're swinging. That thing is secure. Lights out, time to put this on. Obviously these little puck lights are automated, so they're going to stay on, but here we go. Gesture. If I remember correctly, you hold the button down for 2 to give a different ignition than I'm on phaser. Oh, that's cool. OMG. 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 Did you hear that? Ready? Ready? Listen. It screams, oh my god, that's funny. Alright, so if you hold it once for one flash, it will go from mute, high volume, low volume, so on. 2 flashes changes the ignition style. 3 flashes changes... Whoa. I think changes the blade style. 1, 2, 3.
Cross.
Cross. Jamaica. So we need it to be blue. Ah, so if you hold it 4 times, that's when it does the voice of... Ah, okay, I've got it now. This is Anakin's. This is the actual... Okay, what other ones we got?
Hello there.
Hello there.
You're going to answer to it, dude. The force is with you, young.
Why is it rainbow with Darth Vader? What's going on with the colours? Okay, so welcome back to the brightness. So what I figured out is you hold it once for the flash, that will change the volume. Hold it twice, that changes the ignition type. Hold it 3 times, that changes the style of the blade. And then hold it 4 times, that changes the style of the voice and the sound effect of your movements and your blade, and like the actual saber itself. This one actually I feel like is a lot more simplistic than the V7 that I've had in the past. That one you had to use like hand controls and sort of hold the button at a certain angle and turn for lights and effects, and it's very difficult to get used to, where this one, super simple. I've already learned all the buttons, all the controls already, so you know, it's just, it feels so more natural in the hand. Now if I get my Yoda one here, the size difference, as you can see, the handle for the Yoda one is minute compared to the Skywalker. That is at like it feels like it's at the perfect size length. Now some of them on the website I believe you can change the blade sizes, so you can have them longer, shorter, whatever. This for me it just comes as one standard size, and for me it feels absolutely perfect. So you know, you've got the gesture of, you flick it, you can turn it on, or little wrist flick to the right, turns it on. So there is a lot within this for the price of £120, which is absolutely insane. For the build quality, for the usages, responsiveness, the fact that it looks so clean, I think this is definitely a must-have for any Star Wars fanatic out there. They have other options on their website as well, so I will leave all of them down in the description. So you can go to the website, check for yourself. There might even be another cheeky sale on that makes it even cheaper. I don't know at the point of when you're looking, but either way, for the price that you're going to be paying for this thing here, super worth it. I mean, the quality is unreal. I love it. Kind of upset that I'm giving it to my friend, but still, he deserves it. I'm glad it's going to someone that's going to appreciate it, because he's wanted one of these for so long, and to be able to have SabNeo send me out one to review and then give it to him as well. And hopefully in the future we can actually review a few more of their creations that they're bringing out, and you know, showcase this, because it definitely is worth the praise that I'm giving it right now. But yeah, I'll leave it all in the description. If you want to go check them out, links are down there. Go have a look yourself. Even if you just have a browse, you'll definitely not be disappointed. That's what I can say. But I mean, other than that, build quality, fantastic. The overall usage is perfect. The gestures, the responsiveness, the colors as well, the different things you can do with it, absolutely insane. Definitely worth checking out. But anyway, thank you again, SabNeo, for sending this out. I appreciate it as always. But remember, capture, create, captivate, and I'll see you all in the next video.